Alright guys, another package arrived today. I honestly have no clue what this is because I have tons of shoes on the way, but this is most likely from a private seller that will be in my link tree, so let's open this. The name of them will also be above right here. Alright, these shoes are awesome. These are the Jordan 4 Kaws from Nice Kicks shop. These will be in my link tree, and these are fucking beautiful. I don't know how to legit check Kaws 4s because honestly I've never had a pair, but there will be a video legit checking and reviewing it whatnot on my YouTube once I've figured out everything. So they come with this little tag thing. This looks incredible. And all private sellers always include a StockX thing, as you can see. Also comes with the StockX tag. These shoes are really nice. The material is really nice. As you can see, overall, these are just a nice shoe. The bottom looks super cool and everything. And the back tab obviously does pop up immediately on both of them. As I said before, this is from Nice Kicks shop, so make sure to go check them out. And yep, it comes with everything, including their social medias and how to work with them.